name is Mega Putrasari. I'm from VLC, Voice of Pare. Now I'm in Pare, and this is a book course. There is one of famous course in Pare, and then in the Mr. Bob, I choose stick up to in the class because in stick up to I can improve my English, I can improve my confidence, and then this is the class, the situation in the Mr. Bob, right? There is many students here. Now, now I would like to tell you about the situation in Pare. In Pare, Pare is a nice place. Yeah. Many place for you hang out with your friend, and then many place many place you can hang around with the other and etc. Also, the Pare is top place for you to improve your English, to improve your confidence, like that. So that's all about me. That's all about Mr. Bob and the Pare. Thank you.